The entry period for the 16 Islands, 16 Weddings promotion ended on February 13th with nearly 3,000 couples entering to win a dream wedding in the Bahamas. Newly appointed Director of Global Communications Mia Wish Lang said this is the first Islands of the Bahamas contest that was done completely in-house. And based on the numbers, she says it has also been the most successful thus far.
When you compare this to the number of entries to similar contests ran on a similar time frame, we have basically beaten some of the industry leaders at their own game. So we're really proud of the numbers that we've gotten.
The Bahamas launched a new online romance trip planning wizard to enhance the couple's initial research experience for the perfect island wedding. Lang said it was just one component of a major digital campaign.
We've created this promotion, we've created the advertising campaign that's geo-targeted to focus on brides that are interested in having a destination wedding mag. We did Facebook media, things that are cutting edge, and we ran a completely 100% digital campaign.
The initiative also achieved the goal of educating potential visitors about the diversity of the islands of the Bahamas. The unique initiative was launched on Valentine's Day, and in just a few weeks, 16 lucky couples will win a dream wedding on one of 16 major islands of the Bahamas on January 16, 2015 at 1600 hours.
We need more promotions like this to spread the word about the multiplicity of our destination.
For the Tourism Today Network, I'm Nikki DeVoe.